as you can see here, Bitcoin is working its way up still. It was at 28K. It's at 27.9K right now. It just now dropped below 28K. But I do want to show something important here inside of Bitcoin. We literally just now bounced off the support here for Bitcoin. That was at 27K. So yeah, this support was interesting. 27K support here. Now we're at 27.9K. But if you look over here on the oscillator, you can see there's a bearish signal being thrown up because the buying is actually slowing down, which is interesting because we did just now get another buying wave. Even though the buying is slowing down, you can see in the oscillator and up here on the charts that we did get some more buying that just now pretty much flown in here into Baby Doge. If you go over here and look at the 4-hour chart, though, you can also see it's even more prevalent when you look over here at that oscillator. So you can still see that bullish or that bearish signal here because it's showing that we're way overbought here, which is true. This is overbought, like way overbought. We went all the way down there from 19K all the way up to 28K almost immediately. But this typically happens in bull markets. So I think this might be the start of the bull market here with Baby Doge because like 19K to almost 30K, like that typically doesn't happen. And especially after we just now had the same scenario back here from January, January 10th all the way up. We went from like 16K all the way up to like 24K easily. And now you're seeing it again where Baby Doge is going or where Bitcoin is going 19K all the way up here to 28K easily. So I think this is the first sign of the bull market. It definitely looks like we're in a bull market. Now I'm not saying we're not going to pull back because obviously we're coming off of this overbought area here, and now we have this bearish signal being thrown up because the buying is now slowing down, meaning there could be one more buying wave here, like having a little bit of a selling wave, having another buying wave, and then having a major selling wave. So I think once we break 30K, or if we break 30K, we could then be having that pullback once or if 30K is broken. So if we can get past that, because remember 30K is major resistance, and remember I said it before, if we break 30K, that pretty much confirms our bull market. And the thing is with 30K, we could break 30K, but then go down below it immediately, break that 30K support immediately. Like once we pass it, our resistance then becomes our support. We could then break that support that was once our resistance very easily, and then we could go down below 30K. But the importance there is that we actually pass 30K in the first place, because if we can actually pass it, then that pretty much shows that we're actually in our bull market, because 30K is a very, very significant resistance area for Bitcoin. So that's a very important to look at. So yeah, if we pass 30K, then you definitely want to start loading up, because we obviously will have a pullback after 30K, but you would still want to load up on some crypto. But anyways, like Bitcoin is always first, and then the altcoins follow after. So yeah, after that, after 30K, you probably would pull back to like 26 or 25K, and then probably continue to rise from there. But we'll have to see whenever that happens. But also remember, we have with a Fed press conference on the March 22nd. They're gonna make their interest rate decision whether or not they're gonna raise interest rates or not. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen on the 22nd, because the Fed, they're gonna possibly raise some interest rates. They're gonna have the conference. So yeah, that's gonna be very important. That could actually make or break the market. If it's a good news, and then like the last time, they predicted it's only gonna be a 25 basis point hike, and if that happens, then there's a possibility that that could be what pushes Bitcoin above 30K. So that's pretty much what we're watching for with Bitcoin. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. There will be lots more content coming to this channel in the near future. And this is the Marcellus Clips channel. So if you want to see the full length videos for all of these videos, go ahead and check out the link in the description for my Marcellus channel. You can find all the full videos for all of these videos. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Shout out to everyone that watched the video. We're going to be continuing to grow on this channel. Big shout out to you all, and I'll see you in the next video.